I'm Rusty, the owner and proprietor of this import dealership, locally owned and operated. This is Chet. I'm going to let Chet run through what we do here.
Hey everybody, my name is Chet. I work here at Amco Transmission down at 4310 Florida Boulevard, right here in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I just want to tell you a little bit about what we do. Obviously we do transmission, but we also do car care, things of that nature. We've been around for 50 years or so, we must be doing something right if we've been around for that long. I want to tell you a couple things about what we pride ourselves in is service, honesty, integrity, and also we're women friendly. We're locally owned and operated. Alright, another thing I'd like to tell you about is how you can earn a free diagnostics. Basically what you do is come in and drop your car off, give me a couple hours to take a look at it, and I won't charge you a dime, and that's an $85 value for that. So go ahead and bring it down, we'll tell you what's wrong with it, we'll give you our best case and worst case scenarios, and we kind of go from there, and we'll give you a price before we do any kind of work.
Work to be done, I know about it.
Your automobile is your second most valuable investment in your entire lifetime. Are you going to trust that transmission, which is anyone? I don't think so.